Presenting as a live premiere or recorded video. Today's episode is, Nano activates the tornado alarms for humor. Heck. Nothing funny happens at this school. I need something to do to get just a little humor into this school. Wait, I can activate the tornado alarms to annoy everyone and make me laugh. Mwahahahahahahahaha. And now I'm laughing already. Okay. Let's pull the alarm.
Nano, why did you pull the tornado alarm?
Because I want to annoy people so I can laugh.
Oi 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 oi. Nano, how dare you set off the tornado alarm? That's it, you're expelled. Go home right now. Nano, how dare you activate the tornado alarms at school and get expelled? That's it, you are grounded until the whole world becomes upside down. Go to your room right now.